we're going to look at Treasury yield, but let's do it with the Squawk Stack in one moment. You see 148, and I'm going to go in it. This is what the Squawk Stack was created for, because I've replaced a couple of things. I didn't consult with anyone. I'm sorry. It wasn't by committee, guys. But I just got rid of GameStop and Roblox and the Dow for a second. Just number one, to show you gold, which I wanted to ask Jeremy Siegel about it. If there's inflation and if everybody's looking for a store of value, what's happening with gold? It's up at a weekly high, but that is a 6-month chart of gold. What is happening? And I'm just positing, is Bitcoin, which has gone the opposite way, is it actually starting to replace gold as a store of value or as an inflation hedge? I don't know. There may be other things happening with gold, but that's weird. That's weird that gold's not going.
Joe, I bet it's definitely investors who would have gone to gold are probably drawn to Bitcoin. I think that's a fair.
That's what I was thinking. And I got something else. Yeah. Back to the Squawk Stack. The German 10-year Bund, yields on the 10-year Bund just plunged after Christine Lagarde and the ECB announced significantly faster bond purchases. So we had Japan and yields dropping. Potential, or not dropping, but maybe the hedge or the range is not going to be raised. So maybe, yields quiet down, maybe in Japan. Down today, you can see that immediately happened when the ECB surprised people and said we're going to have faster bond purchases. So that's got the 10-year, which is on the Squawk Stack, all the way down to 148.